welcome to Tech presented by Kaizen, where we will explore common cleaning questions and answers. This session has been pre-recorded and will include additional FAQs related to this specific topic at the end of the presentation. We hope it is 15 minutes well spent. Let's get started. I would like to introduce Kaizen Zone TC Loy.
Thank you, William, for the introduction. Good day, everyone. Today's topic is the first of the maintenance series which covers reflow oven maintenance. It's not just your kitchen oven that needs spring cleaning. In the electronics assembly industry, various types of components are connected by linking them together with a printed circuit board, PCB, to form the printed circuit board assembly, PCBA. To achieve a strong conductive bond, these components are soldered to the PCB. Flux is being used during soldering to prevent the formation of metal oxides during soldering. The presence of flux during the soldering process creates fumes as a byproduct. These soldering fumes are a known health hazard and needs to be captured to prevent inhalation by operators on the production floor. When soldering manually, a fume extractor with filters is needed. In this age of mass production, we have moved to surface mount technology. And with this trend, we have moved to reflow ovens, mainly those with conveyor belts to increase productivity. A reflow oven isn't much different from your home baking oven. Instead of dough, you are cooking or heating solder paste at more high temperature. Your home baking oven will get dirty like this picture. So will your reflow oven. So where will you find the residue in the reflow oven? In the tunnel, on the blower fan, the flux management system designed to capture the residue, and also the heat exchangers. In the reflow oven is not well maintained, it won't be running efficiently. It will start not working well and soon causes process issues. If maintenance cleaning is not done for an extended period, it will cause premature breakdowns. Flux can even build up on the ceiling of the reflow oven tunnel. When this flux residue builds up, gets too thick, it drips back down on the PCBA shown in the picture. These redeposited flux residue are challenging to remove from the PCBA. Now we know the importance of doing maintenance cleaning for the reflow oven. How shall we clean it? Firstly, we have to determine the cleaning chemistry to be used. Generally, cleaning chemistries can be separated into two major categories: solvents and aqueous, also known as water-based. Solvents generally have good solubility with the residue. However, some are highly flammable. Choose a solvent that doesn't have a flash point, or the flash point is at least 17 degrees Celsius above the cleaning temperature. Aqueous chemistries work well, especially in a cleaning machine. Since it is diluted with water, it will be more cost effective. Both types of chemistries are typically corrosive in order to clean tough residues well. Hence, do wear PPE accordingly when handling these chemicals. Compatibility with the material found in the reflow oven is also important. Some aqueous chemistries are not compatible with soft metals such as aluminum. Here, we have a video showing one that is not compatible. You see bubbles forming around the aluminum part. After 15 minutes of soaking, here is how the part looks like. And after a quick rinse, here is how it looks like. You can see a layer of aluminum has been etched off, especially at the edges. Now, let's go through some cleaning methods. The simplest way to clean is by hand. Get your cleaning chemical, spray it on the part to be cleaned, and let it dissolve the flux residue for 3 to 5 minutes. Next, wipe it off with wiper paper or cloth. This is done repeatedly if there is a high amount of flux residue on the part. A solvent is generally used in manual cleaning. Manual cleaning works best in the parts that are difficult to dismantle from the oven. The drawback of manual cleaning is that it takes a lot of effort and time. Furthermore, it is hard to clean the areas not accessible by hand. Now we look at cleaning machines. The first type we will look at is the spray in air machine. For this machine, a pump sprays the cleaning chemical through manifold at the top and bottom of the cleaning chamber onto the parts placed on a basket. The liquid then drains back to the wash tank, and this cycle continues for the duration of the wash cycle. You can have fixed manifold and a rotating basket in the picture here, or a fixed basket with a rotating manifold similar to a home dishwasher. The next machine is a air sparging tank, also known as a bubble tank. As you can see, it looks like a jacuzzi. You can also make one that is simple like this. Here is how to build a simple air sparging tank. Get a tank that is heat resistant. Build a manifold with small holes to let out the bubbles. Remember to use heat-resistant materials too. Add in the heater element and do make sure to protect the heat element and manifold. And there you go. It is rather simple. If you need a quick turnaround time and you have the funds, do look into ultrasonics. This type of energy is strong and can significantly reduce the time of cleaning. Now, let's go through some case studies. This is a case study that uses ultrasonics for cleaning. We used a water-based product at 20%, heat it up to 60 degrees Celsius, and clean for 13 minutes. Then, we immerse it in room temperature water for rinsing. And lastly, we dry the part using compressed air. Here is the part before cleaning. And after cleaning, all the residues are being removed. The part looks really shiny. Here is another part before cleaning, and most of the residues is removed after cleaning. We have another heat exchanger before cleaning, and the residues are cleaned off in between the gaps after cleaning. These are the chains before cleaning and then after cleaning. This is the blower fan before cleaning, and depart after cleaning. The chain looks like this before dismantling and cleaning, and they are nice and shiny after cleaning and being installed. For the next case study, we use air sparging for cleaning. A water-based product at 20% is being used, and it is being heated up to 60 degrees Celsius. We clean this part longer for 60 minutes, and then we immerse the part in room temperature water for rinsing. Lastly, we dry the part using compressed air. Here is the heat exchanger before cleaning, and after cleaning, the residue is being removed. Let's zoom in at the part. And after cleaning, they are very shiny. Here's another heat exchanger before cleaning and after cleaning. The same sort of part before, then after cleaning. Lastly, an assembly of parts before cleaning and after cleaning. Let's go through some frequently asked questions on this topic. Question 1. Can I clean at ambient temperature? Yes, but it will take a much longer time to compare to a heated bath. Temperature is a simple way to speed up cleaning. Question 2. Can I just soak the parts? The answer to this question is also yes, but it will take a much longer time compared with additional energy. Air sparging and especially ultrasonic significantly shortens the cleaning time. Question 3. Do I need to rinse the part after washing? As there will be flux residue dissolved in the bath, a very small amount of residue will be left on the part if it is not rinsed. This is not significant and you can do away with it. But if you want a very clean part, then rinsing is the answer. That's all I have today. Back to you, William.
Thanks, TC. And thank you all for watching this Tech to Tech session. If you would like to discuss this topic further or have any questions not answered in the session, please contact your local Kaizen regional manager or send an email to tech@kaizen.com, and we will have someone follow up with you as soon as possible. Do you want to have exclusive access to future content sent directly to your inbox, or do you know someone who would benefit from these sessions? If the answer is yes, just go to tech2tech.kaizen.com and fill out the subscription form. And if you like this video, be sure to follow us on our social media platforms for more expert cleaning content.